A lot of people ask this: how do you save your Instagram photos and videos? Do your camera roll your own photos or videos or someone else? Here's the good news: with the new Instagram update, you can easily download videos directly and super fast way. So to download a video from Instagram, first you have to open up the Instagram app and go to your profile. If you want to download one of your old videos, open the video and let it play in full screen. Now tap the share button and you will find a menu will pop up. Just scroll left and you will see this download option. Just tap it and you will get a message once the download is finished. So you can download others' videos like this, but you have to make sure it's not a sponsored post, because the sponsored videos don't have the download option. So now about photos, open up a photo, you just want to save it, but here you can see Instagram doesn't allow direct download for photos. So there's no save option for image yet. So now to check the video you just downloaded, open up your Photos app and here we'll see the downloaded video saved with the profile name. Isn't it pretty cool? This is the part of the new Instagram update. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.